the world, I tell you. By December 14th, world will be totally different. Mark my words, not just because of Corona, not just Corona alone. Corona caught the public attention and media attention, that's all. Not just Corona alone, all over the world, multiple other things. By December 14th, world will be different. All of you listen to this intensely. As I already told, Corona is part of the teaching, not part of the weapon. Corona is not Shastra, weapon to destroy human beings. Corona is Shastra, teaching for human beings. Now, the impact of Corona on life and livelihood. Listen carefully. How we live, how we travel, how we relate with each other, how we think about everything has drastically changed and going through more changes. Whatever you thought as the future security, money, relationships, social contracts, moral contracts, legal contracts, all of them are losing value in life. All of them are just getting melting down in front of the face of Agora. Legal contract, economical contract, moral contracts, social contracts, ideas of right, wrong, social ethics, moral ethics, whatever is valued in society or disrespected in society, good as per society, bad as per society, good as per law, bad as per law, understand? Everything is melting down. Wait till December 14th, you will see totally different world. Whatever you think is valuable now will become like a means will not have any value. And whatever you think not much valuable, suddenly will have so much value, I tell you. Many human beings think few hours working and making few $100 is more valuable than few hours doing yoga and building their body. Listen, by making dollars, millions, crores, yes, you may get the food, all varieties, sweets, but you lost the body which can eat all of it and enjoy, digest it. That is what I call deluded lifestyle. People who literally sell their whole day for money. By 40, they will have money, but not the lifestyle to enjoy life. If you spend 1 year and make 1 crore or 10 crore, even 25 crore, I will say spend the same 1 year, day and night, build heavy yogic body. That will be more valuable for you than the 25 crore after December 14. If you build the body which can eat all food, digest and be energetic, alive, Instead of multi-billion dollar, after December 14th, you are rich. Because multi-billion dollars are melting down. If somebody, for example, your friend, he did great job, medicine, became a doctor and made millions of dollars. And you went to Gurukul, being with Swamiji, did yoga, conscious power manifestation, everything, built whatever Swamiji said, life based on that. Even if you built 10% of what Swamiji said and stood with Swamiji and be with Swamiji, you are more richer after December 14th than your friend, than anybody. I am telling you one example. I can give you tons of examples. The whole world, it is not just topsy-turvy or getting rearranged. Chuck collapsed and the Samhara, Ahora is dancing. Your ideas about education, university, everything is gone. In 100 countries all over the world, courts are shut. Only in half of the world, courts are functioning digitally, like a Zoom, all that. Half of the world, courts are shut, neither physical nor digital. And 90% of the world, all execution of legal contract is stalled. All moral contracts are melted down. 99% of the social contracts are melting down. Understand? What do you call as education? What do you call as work? What do you call as future security? Everything is melting down. This is the best time if you are already connected to all the spiritual principles and concepts. This is the worst time for all the worldly people who are extremely greedy, attached to the materialism and what do you call as social contracts. Listen, all social contract, all relationship contract, all legal contract, all moral contract, everything is melting down. Everything is melting down. Your life is after all made up of all these contracts. You are going to see after December 14th a simple Nityanandite who learnt unclutching is going to be celebrating his life, enjoying, ecstatically living than billionaires. I tell you, your conscious ability to keep yourself up, alive, awake is going to be currency after December 14th, because the currency is melting down. You will be able to simply buy billion worth property just for few thousands and few hundreds. But nobody will be able to buy the unclutching mental setup and yogic body. Ability to sit in Padmasana will be more valuable than any $1 million massage chair. And I am telling you, really I am telling you, build intense, powerful cognitions. With powerful cognitions, even few thousand rupees are going to become few crore. Without powerful cognitions, even billions are going to just melt down and no value. Because the Ahora is dancing. From this solar eclipse to December 14th, this Kala Sarpa Yoga. Understand? If you hold on to Paramashiva, Guru, enjoy this Ahora phase, of Paramashiva, you will have rejuvenation. This time will be Kalasarpa Yoga for you. If you are getting caught in depression, powerlessness, moving away from Paramashiva, from powerfulness, this period is going to be destruction, Kalasarpa dosha for you. Whether Kalasarpa yoga or Kalasarpa dosha, you only have to decide. Ahora, Paramashiva is dancing. Whether it is a destruction or rejuvenation is up to you. Based on how you decide. Everything human beings built unconsciously against the nature with false ideas is melting down. False food is melting down, false medicines are melting down, false security is melting down, false currency is melting down, false education is melting down, false contracts are melting down. Cosmic law is declaring its existence. You will see by December 14th how many things you thought valuable is no more valuable, and how many things you thought you took it for granted are becoming real valuable in life. The ideas of passport, visa, border, nation, all that is melting down, because now who is going to travel? Traveling is not going to be part of anymore with the middle class common civilians. Either the top administrators, decision makers of the country, only those people are going to be traveling anymore. After the December 14th, travel is not going to become normal for common human beings. Middle class and lower middle class and poor class is not going to be having the regular travel as you usually used to. Understand? The way we live, the way we eat, the way we travel, the way we meet each other, the way we relate with each other, the way we work, everything is melting down. If you had real loving, understanding marriage, you are going to have that relationship after this December 14th. If it was just legal contract, it is not going to stand anymore. After December 14th, if you are not depressed, you are going to have such a high value, and people are going to yearn to live around you, relate with you, talk to you, spend time with you. Only powerful cognitions are going to be your assets. Start getting them more and more and more. Nothing else is going to be your asset or pride or life. They asked me, can we get this CBSE affiliation, UGC, some affiliations and all they were asking. I said all those systems are not going to have any credibility anymore after December 14th. Wait. Many of those systems are not going to have credibility. Because all of them will be proven useless for human life. So, much of what you call as education, much of what you call as business, much of what you call as expertise, much of what you call as efficiency, much of what you call as skill sets, all of them are losing value, melting down. Just celebrate the Agora face of Paramashiva. All the conscious things are getting powerful. Empower yourself with more and more conscious possibilities and powers. Absolute integrity to cosmos. People who built their life and their mental setup with non-violence, non-stealing, absolute integrity, and living with minimal things and brahmacharya, with all these principles, they are going to be continuously excited, inspired, energetic, alive in post-corona world. All the people who built their mental setup, life, consciousness with delusion are going to be shattered. I tell you, that is why I was telling, if you are young, especially infused with these great principles of conscious principles, Satya, Asteya, Aparigraha, Brahmacharya, Ahimsa, non-violence, non-stealing, living with minimal things and living with absolute integrity and Brahmacharya, with these principles, if you are built, you have a great future. Understand? People who built their consciousness, mind, life with delusionary principles, with delusions, literally will be losing life, because what they think is the result of their life, their source of inspiration which excites them, is melting down. Whole world is melting down. All the tourism places are losing their brand value. All celebrities are losing their brand value. All celebrities are losing their brand value. All tourism places are losing its brand value. The way we think, the way we relate, the way we travel, everything is going to be completely different in post-corona world. The inner conscious principle-based economy is only going to flourish. Conscious principles need to be applied in every level. Politics, economy, in every level. Relationships, only those idea, those principle, consciousness principle based things are going to work out.
Pandemic itself is not going to kill many people. Corona, COVID-19 itself is not going to kill too many people, I'm telling you. But pandemic fatigue is going to destroy many people's life. It will be much worse than death. Destruction is much worse than death. Half of the humanity's livelihood is going to be affected, and I think it's already started getting affected. Whole humanity's lifestyle is going to be affected by this pandemic fatigue. The after effects of corona, COVID-19, is going to be too much. Listen. That is why I am saying what is happening now is pralaya. The number of people it is going to kill, the COVID-19, the number of people it is going to kill may be less number, but the kind of people it is going to take away from us is going to be too much. impact it is going to leave on humanity is going to be too much. I tell you, every individual who practices this unclutching will be saved from mental breakdown. This pralaya is going to teach lesson to all the human beings. This pralaya is going to remove meat industry, make vegetarianism as a mainstream lifestyle. All the blind spot based thinking, delusion based thinking, false idea of security, all this will melt down. Human beings will understand the need for consciousness based lifestyle through this pralaya, and earlier the human beings understand, quicker they will sail through this pralaya, which is happening now. All kinds of illusions and delusions will be taken away. People who are able to be energetic, alive, active, sharply thinking, strategizing, without the peer pressure of jealousy, comparison, they are going to accumulate exorbitant amount of wealth. Understand? All the people who can function, think, work, get excited only by peer pressure, jealousy, comparison are just going to dry and wither out, because all the peer pressure, jealousy, comparison, everything is going to be taken away from life. If your mental setup is such, you can think only with peer pressure, jealousy, comparison, you don't have a future. If your mental setup is based on contribution, enriching, spiritual strength and excitement, you are going to be active continuously and you are going to accumulate exorbitant wealth. Because all the wealth of the peer pressure based gang is going to be left. It's going to melt down. The peer pressure based industries will melt down. Contribution based industries will shoot up. That is why I am telling, billionaires are going to become bankrupt and startup companies are going to become billion-dollar companies. Because it is all going to be now all about your foundation need inside the campus. And I was insisting, government will not be able to supply electricity. We need tins. He said, you don't know. Start doing vertical garden. Because vertical garden only can be done with less water. A lot of things. On the ground, we should grow grains like a rice. But all the vegetables we can grow on tins. And I insisted, I repeated this word. Money will not get you food. There will be time during the pralaya, money will not get you food. We may have money, but money will not get you food. I request all of you, add more and more unclutching. Enrich yourself with unclutching, completion, oneness, ajapa japa of Mahavakya, deep feeling connection, yoga, puja, vegetarian diet, nirahara samyama, and enrich every individual you can reach out, at least with unclutching technique, because the pandemic fatigue is going to be too worse. Understand the psychological impact of this pandemic. This pralaya is going to be extremely dangerous. Even now I am repeating, this pandemic is not going to swallow even 1% of the world population, but it's going to affect the livelihood of more than 50%, half of the humanity, and it is going to affect the lifestyle of 100% of the humanity. This pralaya's psychological impact is going to be too strong. Without unclutching, you can't even be mentally balanced, stable person. So unclutching is not luxury. It is survival need now during this pandemic fatigue. I'm repeating. This pandemic, this pralaya, even 1% of the population will not die. The world population is something like roughly 7.8 billion and 1% is roughly 78 million. 78 million is not going to die. But this pralaya is going to affect livelihood of the 50% of the humanity and lifestyle of 100% of the humanity. This Sarvari Varsha, this year's prediction, Saruvari Andadanil Sadipadi Nettume Thiramaru Noyal Thirivargal Mari Illai Bhumi Velai Vellamar Puttirarum Matravarum Yemamandri Chavar Yambu. English translation: whole humanity will be affected by diseases, rains will fail. Means, I'm not saying there won't be rain, there will be chaos in rain. It will suddenly appear in large quantity and destroy the crop, and suddenly will not be there and kill the crop. In different ways it will fail. Agricultural lands will not yield full produce. Many people will die without having immunity and protection. I tell you, this is pralaya. Pralaya will reach the peak by December 14th. And after that it will start settling down. I'll tell you when it will completely settle down. But till December 14th, it is only going to go up, 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 up. Pralaya is real. Kailasa is real. Kailasa is going to save many people from pralaya is real. And post pralaya, we are going to give a super conscious breakthrough to humanity is real. We are going to revive the enlightened civilization is real. You all consciously for this pralaya. And I tell you, quarantine is going to be more than next 6 months all over the world. It's not going to be just few days here there. They will live for few days here there and it will again come back. I request all of you, add more and more unclutching. Enrich yourself with unclutching.